Good morning, students. Today I am going to deal with some other revolutionaries. Chapter 5, Standard 8. Chapter 5, Standard 8, SS. And today it is the second lecture. In first lecture, we learned about Vasudev Balban Phadke, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, and Satyan Babu Praful Chaki. Okay, Praful Chaki. Okay. Now today we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn about Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay. Now, my dear student, in my first lecture, I explained about three revolutionaries. Today also I am going to explain about other three revolutionaries. Now, first one is Ram Prasad Bismil. Here, this Bismil is written, na? Bismil. Bismil is a pen name. Okay. Bismil is a pen name. Okay. Takhallus. We can use the word Takhallus. So, Ram Prasad. Ram Prasad was Hindu. And he had one friend, childhood friend named Ashfaqullah Khan. So Ram Prasad and Ashfaqullah Khan, they were childhood friends. He was Hindu and he was Muslim. So we can say it was the Hindu-Muslim unity. Okay, got it. Now Ram Prasad Bismil. So Ram Prasad Bismil, he was born in Shahjahanpur in 1897. Shahjahanpur of UP in 1897. Okay, Shahjahanpur, that is UP, United Province UP, Uttar Pradesh, in 1897. My dear student, he was the kingpin, main person of the Kakori conspiracy train robbery. Kakori train. In this chapter, you will learn the word again and again, Kakori. Okay, my dear student, at Kakori station, the revolutionary, they robbed the treasury of the British government. Now, what is that? On 9th August 1925, on 9th August 1925, a train ran from Saharanpur to Lucknow. A train ran from Saharanpur to Lucknow, and at Kakori station, it was robbed by the revolutionary. And my dear student, you will get the word again and again here, Kakori. Okay, so this is the situation. It occurred on 9th August 1925. Things to know is written in the book. It is given on that. Okay, so Ram Prasad was the kingpin of Kakori conspiracy train robbery. Okay, and he was one of the member. Who made an organization, revolutionary organization named Hindustan Republic Association. He was one of the member, okay, to make revolutionary organization. What was the name? Hindustan Republic Association. Okay, and my dear student, at that time, Bhagat Singh, you have heard the word, na? Bhagat Singh. In next lecture, we are going to learn about Bhagat Singh also. Bhagat Singh, Shyamji Krishna Verma, and Madam Bikaji Kama. We are going to learn in a third lecture. Okay, so Bhagat Singh praised him as a great poet of Urdu and Hindi language. Bhagat Singh praised him, means he was considering a great poet and writer of Urdu and Hindi language. Who? Ram Prasad. Who was considering? Bhagat Singh. So it is written, Bhagat Singh praised him as a great poet and writer of Urdu and Hindi language, and the Bismil is the pen name given to him. Okay, my dear student, he had translated 2 books. Okay, Catherine from English and Bolshevik ki Kartut from Bengali. Okay, so here we are getting this much information about Ram Prasad Bismil. Okay, Ram Prasad Bismil had one more friend named Ashfaq Ullah Khan. Okay, Ashfaq Ullah Khan. That's why I have written both friendship was, they were friends from the childhood. That's why it is said that it was considered as the Hindu-Muslim unity. Okay, Hindu-Muslim unity. When we say the word Hum means Ame, Hum. Ha for Hindu, Ma for Muslim. And that's why when both are joined, we can say Hum. Okay. So Ashfaq Ullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismil, they were childhood friends. So it was considered as the one of the example of Hindu-Muslim unity. Hindu-Muslim unity. Okay, my dear student, Ashfaq was expert in horse riding as well as he was expert in horse riding as well as in shooting. Okay, he was expert in horse riding and shooting. My dear student, though he was a Muslim, here it is written, he prevented attack on Arya Samaj temple in Shahjahanpur. Okay, got it? So he prevented, stopped. Okay, when people they attack on Arya Samaj temple, he stopped. So we can say he had no discrimination about the Hinduism or Muslimism. He had a great friend Ram Prasad who was Hindu. He was Muslim. There was a unity of Hindu and Muslim, and though he was Muslim, still he prevented, stopped attack on Arya Samaj temple. Okay, my dear student, Ashfaq was involved in two robbery. Manipur, I have written here, Manipuri train robbery and Kakori train robbery. Okay, Kakori train robbery. Okay, got it? Next one, he was hung, he was caught, and he was hung, he was punished for phansi, hanged till death. Okay, hanged till death, and both Ram Prasad and Ashfaq, they were hung on the same day. And if I ask the question, which two revolutionaries were hanged on the same day, your answer would be like that, Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaq Ullah Khan were hanged on the same day. Okay, both were the friends, they died on the same day, hanged till death. They were hung. Okay, they were hung on the same day as Ram Prasad Bismil was hung. Okay, hung. Okay, next one is Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad. When we say the word Chandrasekhar Azad, automatically the picture comes in our mind that one person having janoi and giving his hand on his mustache. Okay, that comes na. So this picture comes in our mind. It was the picture of Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay, my dear student, the Chandrasekhar was his name. His real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. But Azad was given later on. It was added. Why it was added? That I am going to explain later on. Okay. So what was his real name? His real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. He was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bawra village of Alirajpur district in Madhya Pradesh. Once again I repeat, his real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. He was born on 23rd July 1906 on Bawra village of Alirajpur district in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, he got primary education in Kashi. Okay, Chandrasekhar got primary education in Kashi, and from his childhood he was nationalist. Okay, he had a great love towards his country. And my dear student, when he was arrested first time, that time the Britishers did not have the handcuff of his size. The Britishers did not have handcuff of his size, and when he was put in front of the judge wanted, he was very small, the judge wanted to make him free. That's why he asked some question. When the questions were asked to him, he answered in such a way that everybody, they was just amazed. Answers were amazing answers. Okay, when the judge asked him, "What is your name? What is your name?" and he said, "My name is Azad." What he said? "My name is Azad." When judge asked him, "What is your father's name?" he said, "My father's name is Freedom." And judge asked, "Where do you live? Your residence?" He said, "Prison." My dear student, after these answers, Azad, Freedom, Prison, he got name Azad, and that's why he was known as Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay, got it? Chandrasekhar was his name. Okay, and Azad, this thing was known because he declared in the court. He showed his love towards his country. He said, "My name is Azad. My father's name is Freedom, and I live in prison." And because of that, Azad is added here. And he was known as Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay, he was also involved in a Kakwari train robbery. Okay, and he had taken one vow that he will not be caught alive in the hands of Britishers. Okay, એ ક્યારે જીવતો પકડાશે નહીં. Okay, and my dear student, something happened on 27 February. What happened in Allahabad, Alfred Park? Okay, on 27 February. On 27 February 1931, when he was in Alfred Park of Allahabad, and somebody had given information about him to the Britishers. When they surrounded him, okay, and he was there, he nicely fought, but when it was the last bullet in his gun, he shot himself, because he had taken the vow not to be caught alive in the hands of Britishers, and that's why in order to fulfill that vow, he shot himself on 27 February 1930, okay, in Allahabad Alfred Park. Okay, earlier he fought nicely, but when only last bullet was remaining in his gun, he shot himself and he died. So these were the information about Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaq Ullah Khan and Chandrasekhar Azad. Next time we will learn more about Bhagat Singh, Shyamji Krishna Verma and Madam Bikaji Kama. Thank you.